Hi all, welcome to Dell Boomi video where we will be discussing about disk connectors. So we use a disk connector to read and write from the underlying file system of the host machine where the atom is running. The disk connector gets file from or send files to directories on the disk to which the atom has access. The disk connector can use a local path, window UNC path, or an NFS share on Unix. If we extend our network with virtual private network, we can directly access the files on the trading partners network. Now, like every connector, it also has two parts. One is the connector part, which is the connection part, and another one is the operation part. So now we will be seeing how to create disk connector. We will first create a new component name. So we will make the recommend changes. Then we will select the connector type to disk. Okay. Then first we will get the files. Now, as you can see, there are already few connections available in my training account. We'll just press a directly. Let's leave it blank as of now. Then this is the operation part where we will be seeing which file we want to extract. In file filter, let's keep it as star and extract all the files which are there in the directory. Maximum files. Maximum, we will keep the maximum files to read to 0 so that it will extract all the files which are there in the disk connector. Now we will execute the process and let's test the result. So we will get an error which states that directory does not exist. So we are getting this error because we haven't specified any directory in the connector. Now we will specify a directory. Work directory, because generally this is a tutorial account and there is a directory work where few files are kept. So we will just try to extract all the files from the work directory. Okay, so we can see that we are able to extract 4 files from a disk connector, and when we go to connection data we can actually see the content. So account ID, account name, industry, address, basically this is one record. Second record is there in second file. We can also see the directory in which the file is kept. So the entire directory path is MNT shared cloud Singapore integration test cloud, because as you could see, I ran the process in a test cloud. So this is my training account and work is the directory which we specified. Here is the size of the file which is written. Then yeah, here clearly we can see what is company ID, name, website, all the contact details. So basically this is a XML file with all the account details, and also if you want to check the logs of this particular, if you want to download the file, we can download it from here, download original document. And also if you want to check the logs, we can view logs from here. Generally we keep it in a debugging state so that it gives more information. If I change it to info, you can see that the number of lines is reduced from 22 to 8. Warning, because there is no warning and the process was successful. CV also, there is no CV or log because the process was successful. Here I can see reading files from this directory. It is the exact path of the file as well as the name of the file. If I go back and try to run the process again, I can also click on retry the test and I can execute this process again with initial log. Like if I run this with 4 documents, it will actually show me the previous 4 documents. Okay, so these are the 4 documents which I retrieved in my previous run.